Okay, so here we are Roadhouse Cafe मा छौं हामी रिचा जी पक्कै पनि हाम्रो साथमा हुनुहुन्छ and yes further conversation ला पक्कै पनि कन्टिन्यू गर्दै उहाँलाई म केही प्रश्नहरु सोध्न चाहन्छु and yes talking about the food भर्खरै पिज्जा खाएका छौं हामी so how much do you like it?
See, I told you I'm not so conscious about food and I proved it already. We had a very cheesy pizza and yeah, I love food here, you know. Roadhouse is a regular junction mano.
So अब यो कुरा सँगै I would like to talk about your childhood हैन कस्तो हुनुहुन्थ्यो childhood मा कस्तो नेचरको हुनुहुन्थ्यो
कस्तो थियो भने मेरो म प्राइमेरी क्लास 5 सम्म भनगढीमै पढेको मालिका बोर्डिङ स्कुलमा अनि कस्तो डिस्टेन्स पनि 5 घरबाट स्कुल देखिने के and then you could see the bell ringing के स्कुलको 10 बजे ठ्याक्क बेल रिङ हुने हैन and then it was like my mom ल घन्टी लाग्यो छिटो हैन त्यही बेला पेट दुखेर गागर रुइदिने लाई म स्कुल जान्न भनेर होमवर्कै नगराए हुने हैन God, and I used to be like that. I mean, and जुन दिन चाहिँ फ्राइडे भनेपछि त ECA हुन्छ नि त डान्स फ्राइडे चाहिँ अब 9 बजे नै रेडी के त्यस्तो हुन्थ्यो अनि well yes I mean I was brought up with my mom and my dad and so I got like all the love and happiness a child should get so a good schooling, a good education. Class 6 पछि चाहिँ म यहाँ मेरो ग्रानी सँग बस्न थाले लिटल एन्जल स्कुल पढ्थे म अनि I started staying with my granny and I used to miss Dongari हुन्छ नि किनभने त्यहाँको फेस्टिभल्स देखि everything used to be celebrated so humongous हुन्थ्यो के हुन्छ नि तिहार त्यस्तै हुन्थ्यो होली त्यस्तै हुन्थ्यो रामनवमी कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी I remember everything I remember एउटा कृष्ण जन्माष्टमीमा I was Durga के and literally people were washing my feet and you know it was fun. I mean I remember those nostalgic कतिवटा मोमेन्ट्सहरु छ के मेरोमा as a child I was very much not interested in education for sure.
So childhood को साथ साथै आफ्नो मेमोरिज को बारेमा पनि भनिदिनु भएको छ हैन अब पढाइमा पनि एभरेज के भनेर आफै भन्न सक्नु भएको छ हैन so अरु कुनै मेमोरिज that you really want to share with us?
I remember you know when I was in class 3 I guess my father slapped me for the first time. घरमा I think आउनु भएको थियो बुवाको साथीहरु अनि कजन्सहरु आउनु भएको थियो अनि momले मासु चुरा के बनाइसकेको थियो you know I was very small but I still remember that moment अनि my father उहाँले कहिले पनि हामी 4 जना दिदीबहिनी he never हुन्छ नि त्यसरी हात उठाउने कहिले पनि थिएन but then that day I was really naggy अनि म खान्न के स्कुलबाट भक्कर आएको भनेर खुट्टा त्यो बच्चाहरु कस्तो हुन्छ त्यस्तै नै हैन गरेपछि बुवाले चाहिँ सबै गाडी ठाममा एक थप्पड हान्छ हैन I was so nervous and I literally peed in my skirt क्या अनि त्यो सु गरेर हैन घागा रोएछु हैन अनि त्यसपछि बुवाले चाहिँ अब सबैले कराए किन पिट्या भनेर अनि त्यसपछि बुवाले मलाई चीज बल्स फेमस हैन एकदम मिठो लाग्ने मलाई अनि हाम्रो पसल पनि थियो हैन त्यो बेला चीज बल एउटा लिएर फोटो स्टुडियो लगेर फोटो खिच्न लाग्छ I have this picture हुन्छ नि holding that cheese ball like this and गरेर रुइरहनु सबै चीज गर्थे Oh my god and I think that's the त्यो बेला मात्र होला मेरो बुवाले ममाथि हात उठाउनु भयो त्यसपछि I don't have any remembrance के
Okay so talking about your aim हैन बच्चा हुँदा हुन्छ नि म यो हुन्छु म त्यो हुन्छु भने what was your aim?
You know it's एकदम खुसी लाग्छ मलाई when I share this with the media but I think म लिटल एन्जल्स मा 6 कि 7 मा पढ्थे मेरो सोशल स्टडीज को टिचरले हाम्रो ग्रुप अफ फ्रेन्ड्स थियो अनि क्लासमा so what's your aim भनेर सोध्नु भएको थियो and then someone said pilot and someone said engineer and someone said doctor हैन and then she asked me I said actor you know and they were like Nepali actress हुन्छ नि अनि I said yes Nepali actress I'm a Nepali so of course I'll be a Nepali actress you know Bollywood मा हुनलाई त you have to become another Manisha Koirala but and then I said yes Nepali actress and then everyone used to tease me and say bela heroine भनेर के केटाहरुले especially जिस्काउने classmateहरुले अनि and then now when I have become an actor you can see my Facebook wall के त्यहाँ मान्छेहरुले मेरो कति साथीहरु देख्छ के oh my god we always said we wanted to become a pilot or doctor and you said actress we never become one we are in abroad working for nothing and you actually became an actress भनेर के you are living your dream भनेर भन्छ के
so talking about your career हैन केबाट start गर्नुभयो
it was एकदम simply started there was this के भन्छ पेपरमा ad model wanted भनेर really and then I went to this place ramp modeling agency and I met this ma'am and she said you're very young you know I was 19, 20, 18, 19. You're very young. And I like your spirit. And then she sent me for a photo shoot. I did it. And my photos came the next day. And Alok Nembang saw it. And he said, you have a beautiful eyes. And I get that compliment from most of the people. So yeah, you've got beautiful eyes. And there's one music video. Yash Kumar ko video cha. त्यसमा blind केटी को भूमिका छ तपाई गर्नुहुन्छ. And you know, it was like Alok Nembangको video was like for me as a new person. And एक दिन अगाडि I went this place and second day I'm getting this offer. And it was something really encouraging for me, and I did it, and it was a huge hit. And and since then I haven't looked backward.
Before becoming an actor, के गर्नु?
त्यसपछि चाहिँ मैले एउटा लिडिङ टेलिभिजन भनौँ न ब्रान्डसँग भिजिङ गर्ने मौका पाएँ. त्योभन्दा अगाडि मैले 2-3टा सिरियल गरिसकेको थिएँ एउटा अर्को टेलिभिजनको लागि, हाउसफुल, क्याफे कान्तिपुर, घरबेटी बा, जसकोलाई मैले हाम्रो टिम पनि गरेँ रिसेन्टली होइन. सो या द्याट वाज इट. त्यति नै होला अहिलेसम्मको लागि चाहिँ त्यति नै. त्यस पछाडि चाहिँ म जर्मनी गएँ मेरो फर्दर स्टडिजको लागि. आई डिड माई एक्टिङ कोर्स फ्रम देयर एज वेल. एन्ड देन लेटर अन यहाँ आएपछि तुरन्तै मैले फर्स्ट लभको अफर पाएको थिएँ, मेरो डेब्यू फिल्म.
So how does it feel when people know you, when you walk through, like people know you?
I think I'm working for that itself. That's the only achievement. There's no money in Nepali film industry. There's no money in Nepali modeling industry. But all you get is man saman and the recognition, right? And I think that's what make me go ahead and do good films for my audiences. And you know, Nepali film is really, really, really in transition phase. And हामीले यस्तो राम्रो राम्रो प्रोजेक्ट्सहरू आउँदैछन् अब गर्दैछौँ. एन्ड आई थिङ्क मैले पनि केही हदसम्म कन्ट्रिब्युट गरिरहेको छु जस्तो लाग्छ आफ्नो तर्फबाट. र या द्याट्स अल. आई मिन इट्स अ प्लेजर टु बी पार्ट अफ द नेपाली फिल्म फर्टिनिटी. Well, my friend Prachand has arrived.
So let's call him up.
Yeah. Prach.
Okay, Prachanda Man Shrestha हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो साथमा. He is a very good friend of Richaji, and yes, उहाँलाई first of all प्रोग्राममा वेलकम गरौँ. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Okay, so as we all know, तपाईँ एकदमै राम्रो स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हुनुहुन्छ, as well as तपाईँले भर्खरै भिजा गरेर पनि डिरेक्ट गर्नु भएको छ होइन, जुन फिल्ममा चाहिँ हामीले रिचाजीलाई पक्कै पनि देख्न सक्छौँ लिड रोलमा. सो यो फिल्मको कुरा गरौँ फर्स्टली होइन, फिल्म कस्तो रहेको छ?
एकदमै क्यान्डिड, एकदमै सटल खालको फिल्म छ होइन. इट्स बेस्ड अन लाइक द फेनोमेनन अफ लाइक नेपाली युथ्स हु आर लाइक इन काठमाडौँ, and you know like how they wants to go abroad and stuff like that. And it has like a lot of subtle humor and like a lot of social elements that is a surprise package of the film actually.
So how did you come up with the idea, you know, Visa Gorko?
Well, it has been running in my head for a while now, you know, like त्यो 2-3 वर्ष अगाडि नै फर्स्ट लभ लेख्ने बेलामा नै त्यो आइडिया चाहिँ फ्लेश आउट गरिराखेको थिएँ होइन. अनि आई पिच्ड इट टु लाइक मेनी पिपल एक्चुअली. And then it was always there in like closet, but like it didn't come out like since our त्यो बेलादेखि नै. तर but then like they approached me, Richa and Binay, and said like okay, we can maybe you know like push this project forward. And I said okay, if you can do it, like then I'm ready to work on that. So that is how it happened.
Alright, so रिचाजीलाई तपाईँले धेरै टाइमदेखि इट्स बिन अ लङ नाउ होइन. फर्स्ट लभमा पनि उहाँ तपाईँको साथमा काम गरिसक्नु भएको छ र साथसाथै यो फिल्ममा पनि उहाँ तपाईँको साथमा काम गर्नुभएको थियो. सो हाउ इज सी एज अ पर्सन?
Oh, actually, you know, like she is emotionally my sister. You know, तपाईँले फर्स्ट लभ भन्नुभयो, तर we have been working together for like probably 6-7 years now.
Wow.
So I know like her growth as an actor, and how she matured. So she is amazingly talented person and one of the most, you know, like prized actresses in Nepali cinema actually. Yeah.
Okay. So as a person, personally, since you said she's more like a sister to you, कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ, कस्तो नेचरको हुनुहुन्छ?
एकदमै ambitious छ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई हैन. She has like a lot of like big goals in her life. And she is very adamant about it, you know, like to achieve them, accomplish them, and I really like that attitude actually.
So Visa Girl मा जुन रिचाजीको छ रोल हैन, उहाँलाई कसरी तपाईले उहाँ नै त्यो रोलको लागि सुटेबल हुनुहुन्छ भनेर के सोचेर तपाईले उहाँलाई राख्नु भयो?
स्क्रिप्ट पिच गर्ने बेलादेखि नै अब होइन वी ह्याड लाइक हुन्छ नि वी ह्याड थट द्याट यु नो लाइक वी निड सम वान हु क्यान क्यारी द्याट यु नो चार्म so that she can like you know play along with like 3 boys and still you know be very ambiguous at the same time very like flirty okay and त्यसको लागि चाहिँ perfect नै थियो so that is how you know like connected.
So when can we watch the film?
September 28 actually.
Okay. So we are waiting for that film. Most awaited film भन्नुपर्छ हैन. Since you know Richa ji so well हैन उहाँको एउटा deep secret हामीलाई share गर्नु पर्दाखेरि जुन हामीलाई थाहा छैन त्यो के होला?
Besides everything else, like at times she is very emotionally weak.
Okay.
I must say, yeah, she's emotionally एकदमै weak. So bela bela ma ani. Yeah. So I mean I don't know maybe because you know like she's comfortable with us or like something.
Okay.
But yeah, she tend to you know like break down at times. That emotional. Yeah, very good.
That's my character as a Cancerian, I guess.
Okay. Thank you so much for sparing your time with us.
Yeah, love. Thanks to you actually.
This is all ours. Okay, so getting back to you again, what are we doing now?
I think we just had a pizza. You missed it. Yes. So from here, I would like to take you guys to the shop where I usually shop. It's at Darbar Marg. It's called Chocolate, and I really like shopping there. So we can just go there and yeah, you can see the good stuff, and they really are very good. I mean, they really have very good stuff in there. So yeah, we can check it out.
Sure, we love shopping. Let's go.
Say the words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know it's just a little too late. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me. Because to you, it's just a game. You know it's just a little too late. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now. Your chances come and go. Too little, too late. I was young and in love. I gave you everything, but it wasn't enough. And now you wanna communicate. You know it's just a little too late. Go find someone else and letting you go. I'm loving myself. You got a problem.